repeat the same type of brawl within the same set constantly doesn't really deliver on that kind of like fresh experience. It still has the crazy side attached to it, but the newness is gone. So I was more or less hoping that they would save this repeat, at least again, for perhaps after the next expansion is launched, and they can attach like a huge weight on those cards, and then that'll be a really cool experience. But yeah, not too much new stuff in terms of the overall theme, but the craziness is still there. Oh yeah, I lost a lot of hair. Oh well, check out the clips. I hope you guys enjoy them, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Alright, turn one. What the fuck just happened? What the fuck is that? What? No discount. This is a pretty fucking terrible start. What the fuck? Are you kidding? What the hell is that? Oh my god. Okay. Oh shit, yeah, I forgot about the pack. Job's done. Ah, Trusty Vol'jin, not bad. Yes, Andy. I'm like a desperate pusher from Chicago that would send a girl into sex traffic just for a hot cup of coffee. Wow, okay. Wow, that's real garbage. Oh, fuck. Well, I guess you can't play it. Yeah, it's overloaded for 3, right? You can only play 0 mana cost spells, and you can't randomize spells to 0. What is the point for? This is the best point ever! That was awesome! Hold on, I want some more health.
Tuh kan, ketiban ini.
Let's heal. Then we swap. This brawl screws people up so hard sometimes. Legend player. Yeah, whatever. Yeah, I don't really want to take that. I'm thinking of just dropping the summon. Let's just drop it. See what happens. Like, if you had a silence or removal, you just use the Vol'jin already. I don't even know how the summoning spell works with that too. Or, I mean, I don't know how it works with the mechanic. Right? Okay.
Salah apa-apa.
Okay, let's try. Oh.
Apa sayang? Itu bunda.
This is fucking bullshit, dude. So it looks like it doesn't work so well. Looks like it works off of the mana cost that is posted with that. And that was a pretty bad 2-drop. Yeah. Okay.
Dadah baby. Love you.
Alright, so I guess yeah, that's fine. So we can kill that. Could just entomb that. Yeah, alright, let's just do it. I'm not too happy with that, because you might have like a big ass legendary making here. Oh, at the top like a 2 mana is there to play with your black hand on my Vol'jin. Oh, that's not bad, man. Pretty good. Pretty good. Pretty good. It's pretty good RNG. Well, we haven't lost yet. Yeah, I got pretty outplayed this game. Okay, that's good at least. Yeah, it's not the best order. Okay. Looks like I'm not dead. That's good. I'm not exactly sure what I need here. Like what? How could I possibly not lose this game? Is there some kind of legendary here that's like all broken and stuff? Tyrion. Yeah. Damn, that sucked. Alright, let's see how we're gonna do in this game. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Can't really do that. Man, none of this stuff is too great right now. Okay. And yeah, I mean, it's not doing that much damage right now, so if I can get a low mana cost on this, I'll play it and see what. It's not too much. Yeah, I can see on a riot. Mad discount. Alright, that is pretty good.